We are now going to hear the In re David Andrew James, VOTA case number 64476.
Thank you. May it please the board, this is a reciprocal disciplinary action, Part 9 of the Texas Rules of Disciplinary Procedure based on respondent's professional misconduct and disbarment in Florida. The petition for reciprocal discipline was filed with the board on June the 9th, 2020, and an order to show cause was issued by the board on the same date, requiring respondent to show cause within 30 days of the order why identical discipline should not be imposed. We was served by personal service on June the 30th, 2020, with the petition in order to show cause by Arturo Gonzalez, a private process server. Original proof of service was filed with the board on July the 16th, 2020. On May the 23rd, 2019, an order issued by the Supreme Court of Florida in the matter styled the Florida Bar Petitioner versus David Andrew James Respondent, cause number SC 19-226, lower tribunal number 2019-90042 OSC, found that respondent was in contempt of that court's order in the Florida Bar versus James, cause number SC 18-917, dated August the 24th, 2018. Respondent was suspended for 3 years. On February the 20th, 2020, for contempt in order to show cause was filed with the Supreme Court of Florida in the matter styled the Florida Bar Petitioner versus David Andrew James Respondent, Florida Bar file number 2020-90029 OSC. On March the 30th, 2020, an order was issued by the Supreme Court of Florida in the matter styled the Florida Bar Petitioner versus David Andrew James Respondent in cause number SC 20-254, lower tribunal numbers 2020-0029 OSC, finding that James was held in contempt of the court's order dated May 23rd, 2019 in cause number SC 19-226, and respondent was disbarred from the practice of law in Florida and was ordered to pay cost in the amount of $1,250. This time, I would offer exhibit number 1, which is a certified copy of the order issued May 23rd, 2019 by the Supreme Court of Florida in the matter styled the Florida Bar Petitioner versus David Andrew James Respondent, cause number SC 19-226, lower tribunal number 2019-90042 OSC. Exhibit 2 is a certified copy of the Florida Bar's petition for contempt in order to show cause entered on the 20th, 2020 under cause number 2020-90029 OSC. Exhibit 3, certified copy of the order issued by the Supreme Court of Florida on March the 30th, 2020 under cause number SC 20-254, lower tribunal number 2020-90029. Exhibit 4 is the original certificate of Blake Clay Hawthorne, clerk of the Supreme Court of Texas, dated July the 13th, 2020, showing that Mr. James is licensed, currently authorized to practice law in the state of Texas. Exhibit 5 is a certified copy of a default judgment of suspension entered in VOTA case number 61331 in the matter of David Andrew James, dated January 28th, 2019. And Exhibit 6 is a certified copy of a default judgment of suspension entered by the Board of Disciplinary Appeals in case number 61332, dated January 28th, 2019. The respondent currently resides in Florida, and I would ask that these exhibits be admitted at this time.
They are admitted.
We seek disbarment as reciprocal discipline to Part 9 of the Texas Rules of Disciplinary Procedure.
Does anybody have any questions? Okay, the board will take that under advisement.